Welcome to Learn You and Me. Now here I want to get total cell. Okay, here this is total cell column. Now you will apply some formulas. Is equal to sum, press tab to bring open bracket, select cell column range and press enter. Okay, here you can see total cells. Now if I select this column, you can see below here total cells, and this calculated one is matching. Okay, now what if I want to get product wise cells, not total cells? Okay, PC set product cell, mobile product cell. Okay, so for this I will apply sum if formula. Sum if, press tab to bring open bracket. Okay, then here first input is range, so first input will be our product column. You can freeze this, press F4 to freeze. Okay, in F4 column product should be PC set, which means L2 cell. Okay, this is criteria, and sum range is our sales column. So select entire sales column range, press F4. Okay, now press enter. Here you can see in each case this product column and sale amount column will remain same, hence I freezed it or made it absolute, but this will be going to be relative. Okay, now filling it down, as you can see sales of each product. Okay, if I apply sum using shortcut key, press alt is equal to, here you can see both are matching, which means our output is correct. Let's see PC set sales by filtering in table. Here you can see PC set. Here if I just select this, here you can see 15002024, and here you can see both are same. Okay, so Sumif only test one condition. So what this essentially means, sum only those values in sales column where in product column value is PC set. Okay, here sum only those values where in product column value is mobile. Now instead of referencing a cell for criteria, you can put hard value also, like this PC set. Okay, this will also work. Okay, now you can also use greater than is equal to, not equal to in criteria also. Not equal to, greater than equal to, and less than equal to in sum if criteria. Let's see one example. Okay, now here cell excluding, here I want to get total cell excluding PC set. Okay, you can directly, here one direct way is cell excluding PC set is equal to sum this. Okay, so this is cell excluding PC set. I can also calculate this with sum if also. Sum if, okay, and the range is our this product, press F4, and criteria is not equal to, and you can also write this PC set not equal to PC set, and here cell range, press F4. Now here you can see cell excluding PC set. Okay, here both are matching. Okay, you can also give reference like this. Instead of PC set, you can also give a reference to a cell. Okay, here you can write not equal to PC set. Now you can see not equal to mobile. Here you can see not equal to mobile, so sum this and this. Here you can see 1015 both are matching. Now here in this you can put not equal to, okay, and concatenate it with cell reference. Okay, Now here you have to remove this. Okay. You can also make like this, it will work same. Okay, essentially this will give not equal to mobile. Okay, now what if I want to get sale values, sum of sales, where average price is greater than some value. Okay, so average price greater than, okay, sale. So let's say average price 200, greater than 200. So sum if, okay, range will be this, our range will be, or here we are testing our average price, so range will be average price. Okay, press F4, press F4, then we want greater than, okay, greater than and this. Okay, whatever the value in L7 greater than this, then sum range. Okay, press F4. Now you can see sale of products having average price greater than 200. Let's see this 907 IC 90756. Okay, let's filter this number, filter greater than 200. Let's keep this in mind. Okay, now if I filter this, select range, select this range, here you can see, okay, here you can change this, you will get sum of sales of product having average price greater than 300. Now you can make this also to average price less than. What you have to do, instead of here greater than, you can just make this less than. Okay, so this will be sale of product having average price less than 300. Let's check this. Okay, let's say 200, whatever here, let's say 100. Okay, average price less than 100, average price less than 100. Now keep this in mind, 7933. Here you can see 7933. Okay, so this is how we use Sumif. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.